For Pakistani students, we are providing, first one is the academic based scholarship. Okay, academic based scholarship, they can get maximum up to 50%. And the other one, which is it's a country grant, we are providing 20% country grant to the undergraduate student. When they join us after A2, they can get 20% each year for the 3 years. Okay, and then this 20% can maximize up to 30, 40, or 50% based on their grades. So one is like country grant, and another is like merit based scholarship based on their grades. So when it comes to 50% scholarship, अगर आप यूके को देखें, यूके से ऑलमोस्ट थर्ड टाइम आपकी फी जो है वो कम हो जाती है. So it's very affordable when it comes to other countries. Dubai is still very affordable education wise, सब कुछ. And the best part, आप लोग इतने कम पैसों में आपकी जो affordability होती है उसमें you will be getting UK degree while studying in Dubai.
Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Aspire Talks. Today, we're going to be focusing on Middlesex University, Dubai. It's the largest UK university in the country, where thousands of students from over 120 nationalities go to start their study abroad journey. Joining us today is Shifa Isaac, Senior Recruitment Executive at Middlesex University, Dubai. How are you doing today, Shifa?
I'm good, thank you so much. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you so much for joining us today.
No problem at all.
So, to start with, I feel like a lot of students are familiar with, Middlesex University in the UK. And I'm really excited to get the word out about the Dubai campus as well. So, do you think you could tell us a little about the Dubai campus, a little about your role as well?
Sure. So myself, Shifa, as you told, like I'm the lead for Pakistan market over there. The students who are coming from Pakistan, I'm dealing with their admissions. From admissions till enrollment, I will be the person who will be dealing with them throughout their admissions journey. So let's start with the Middlesex. Middlesex University, basically, it is based in London, but we have a branch campus in Dubai,
Okay.
and we are in Dubai. It's been 20 years. हमारा जो branch campus है, and we are providing UK quality education with the affordability and with the best networking opportunities. Middlesex University Dubai is something like you can say we are accommodating almost 121 plus nationalities, which I can say it's all about diversity there. Diversity is the key with us. The students who are coming with different nationalities, with different backgrounds, they are sharing their cultures and everything. That's the best part about Middlesex University Dubai.
That's awesome. And so, in your experience, because again, you've helped, so many Pakistani students get admission in Middlesex, Dubai. What is one of those factors that, leads a student to choose the Dubai campus over the UK campus? Like you mentioned affordability, the multiculturalness and all of that, but is there anything else that sort of
Okay,
factors it?
so for the Pakistani students, which I believe, proximity nearest to the home, सबसे बड़ी बात, like
Of course.
they are closer to the home country. Then second thing, as compared to UK and other countries like UK, if you talk about UK, US, Canada, Europe, जो हमारा एक mindset होता है, students prefer Dubai for the affordability, best networking opportunities, safety, and if you talk about आपके जो global hub है आजकल पूरी दुनिया का, that is Dubai. आप पूरी
Definitely.
दुनिया से जो लोग हैं वहाँ पे बिजनेस के लिए आते हैं, तो जब बिजनेस के लिए लोग आते हैं, so you have a lot of opportunities there. So mostly students are coming for the opportunities, and I believe कि अभी हमारा जो mindset है पाकिस्तानी students का, वो काफ़ी हद तक change हो चुका है. वो
बिल्कुल.
इस लिहाज से they are not chasing anymore for the nationalities. They are chasing
Yeah.
for the best networking opportunities, for the best career paths. So the thing is, Dubai की ये चीज़ best है. They provide you with the best networking opportunities. उसमें आप, क्योंकि हमारे पास जो students आते हैं, they will be having the help from the careers department जो उनको 100% support करती है. 100% we provide the platform
Amazing.
to do the part-time jobs, to do the full-time jobs. Even as an alumni, you can just come back to your campus, and you can just seek help for the help and for the guidance through careers department. So far जो दुबई में मैं कहती हूँ बच्चे पाकिस्तान से आते हैं, आप इन शॉर्ट बात कर लें, सबसे लड़कियों के लिए it's the safest place to live.
course.
Even for boys, for girls, it's the safest place. Second thing, nearest to home. Third thing, affordability. आपकी accommodation, आपकी tuition fee it's almost half of the UK cost. So
Okay.
that's what, students from Pakistan, they are preferring Dubai over UK nowadays.
Amazing. And so, you've talked about the sort of career support जो students को मिलते हैं. But in terms of, I feel like I've also heard that Middlesex Dubai is very sort of industry connected in terms of the way it carries out its programs as well. So if you could sort of, tell me a little about, the opportunities that students get while they're studying there in terms of internships and, sort of experiencing the sort of work environments while they're studying.
So the thing is, let's start with the आप बात कर रही हैं कि अगर जो industry related
बिल्कुल.
work, we don't believe on cramming the things, writing an exam and forgetting like this, we believe in practical learning. So whatever they will be studying, they will be practically performing that. So mostly our faculty is industrial based.
Okay.
जो आप लोग क्लासरूम में किसी इंडस्ट्री के लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, सो इट्स मोर इजी टू गो आउट एंड लुकिंग फॉर द इंडस्ट्रियल relations, for the networking and everything. And this is happening all because of the careers department. We have a proper careers and employability services department in block 15. आप वहाँ पे walk in जा सकते हैं. They will help you with the CV, they will help you with the mock interviews, and we have almost 500 plus corporate sectors partnered
Amazing.
with Middlesex University Dubai. जितने UAE की पूरी बड़ी top 500 companies है, we are partnered up with them. I will
Wow.
name some. Emaar है, Danube है, Damac है, L'Oreal है, all big groups we are partnered up. अगर आप LinkedIn पे जाके देखते हैं कि किसी भी बड़ी कंपनी को, if you will search for the big companies, and you will find Middlesex alumni there, even the current students. And that's the best part. Sometimes it happens like student have multiple opportunities and they are deciding where to go.
Amazing.
This happened with the Pakistani student I recruited in September intake, and this was the best part when वो लोग मुझे आके अपने experience share करते हैं, and I feel so good. वो लोग फिर
Absolutely.
वो लोग ही अपने फिर आगे से स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं उनको दोस्त हैं उनको रेफर करते हैं. It's what we promise we deliver. We don't do fake promises and everything. Middlesex University Dubai, the best part about this university, that what we promise we deliver to the students.
Amazing. And, it sounds like the focus isn't just academics, right?
Yeah.
It's sort of based on the skills that would benefit students in the
100%.
real world.
Yeah.
So, in terms of that, what sort of profiles do students need to have? Like in terms of their grades, entry requirements, what does the university look for when recruiting students?
Mostly students are coming from the British curriculum. Okay, when it comes to British curriculum, we do see their academic grades. It's like it should be C's and above. If
Okay.
they are coming for foundation year after doing O levels or AS level. But if they are coming after A2, then we will see the A2 grades, and the English requirement would be judged by the IGCSE O level English, and that should
Okay.
be C's and above. It
Okay.
should be C's and above, but it's not mandatory. Like if you are having एक भी आपका D या ऐसा कुछ है, we can carry out these cases case to case. ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जिनके A2 में एक दो ग्रेड्स ऊपर नीचे हो जाते हैं, so they can send their grades to our university, and we can just get them their admission on case to case.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in terms of IELTS, is there a requirement for that?
Okay, so when it comes to postgraduate and Pakistan curriculum, then IELTS is mandatory.
Okay.
IELTS, PTE or TOEFL. For postgraduate students, 6.5 is the requirement. And PTE कर लें उसकी जगह TOEFL कर लें. But अगर किसी को बिल्कुल भी नहीं कुछ करना होता, then we have MDX internal English language exam, which they
Okay.
can opt out for. Yeah.
Okay, that's great because, a lot of students who come to us have this concern, and I'm not sure if it's like a valid concern or not, but there's always this sort of hesitation around IELTS, a lot of times they even end up sitting for IELTS, but their first question always tends to be, is there a way around it? Is there an alternative to it? So, MDX offers those alternatives as well, but also, IELTS, of course, is important too.
Exactly.
So, cost is obviously a big consideration when it comes to studying abroad. And for a lot of destinations, students have the option, where they can sort of work part-time while studying. For Dubai, like, is that possible for them? And do you know of students who sort of handle both, working while they're studying?
I have a lot of students who are doing undergraduate and they're working part time as well. So
Okay.
on student visa, there are certain hours, almost 20 hours per week you can do the part time jobs.
Okay.
Postgraduate के लिए सबसे बड़ी अच्छी बात होती है, they are taking their classes in evening from 6:30 to 9:30. So they have a flexibility of doing full time job. So the thing is, when they come to Dubai, they come on a student visa, and if they get any job, that employer they give their own visa to the students, and we don't have any
Ah,
problem if you are studying with us, on any kind of visa. It should be a residence visa. So
okay.
100% they can come to Dubai and they can study, plus they can work as well easily. It's not a big deal at all.
Okay, great. And of course, my next question is going to be around scholarships. What sort of scholarships does, Middlesex offer?
For Pakistani students, we are providing, first one is the academic based scholarship. Okay, academic based scholarship, they can get maximum up to 50%. And the other one, which is, we can say, it's a country grant. We are providing 20% country grant to the undergraduate student.
Mhm.
When they join us after A2, they can get 20% each year for the 3 years.
Okay.
Okay, and then this 20% can maximize up to 30, 40, or 50% based on their grades. So one is like country grant, and another is like, merit based scholarship based on their grades. So when it comes to 50% scholarship, अगर आप यूके को देखें, यूके से ऑलमोस्ट थर्ड टाइम ये आपकी फी जो है वो कम हो जाती है. सो
बिल्कुल.
इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल व्हेन इट कम्स टू अदर कंट्रीज. दुबई इज स्टिल वेरी अफोर्डेबल एजुकेशन वाइज, सब कुछ. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, आप लोग इतने ही कम पैसों में आपकी जो अफोर्डेबिलिटी होती है उसमें यू विल बी गेटिंग यूके डिग्री वाइल स्टडिंग इन दुबई. So that's the best part. And with this scholarship, we have extra discounts as well, which you can say it's early bird discount. For the September intake and April intake, we have 10,000 dirham, which is valid for next few days. So if you want to apply, then it's the time to apply and get more discounts from Middlesex University Dubai.
I think what really stands out to me is, obviously there are different types of students. There are students who sort of want to experience, sort of living and working and studying in the UK, US, all of that. But there are also students who get a bit homesick and, want to sort of stay closer to home.
Yes.
So I think what's sort of perfect about this is that, again, it's like an hour and a half away from, a flight away from
Yeah.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
So they kind of get the best of both worlds because they're in this diverse environment with the same career opportunities, if not more, in some cases. But then they're also close by, and like you said, they end up sort of walking away with the same UK degree. So it's really a win-win situation.
Yeah, definitely. Dubai, I would not say with the same career opportunities like in other countries. Dubai is on the top for the career opportunities. And when I say it, like, I mean it. I have seen so many students going to other countries and they are doing still holding very good degrees, and that's the very unfortunate situation. Like, they are doing, like, blue collar jobs still.
Yeah,
But when it comes to Dubai, they value your skill, they value
definitely.
your work, they value your education. So, and the other thing is, like, there is no cultural shock when
For
when you go
sure.
to Dubai. You find your own people, you find the best food. uh,
Exactly.
where there is no good food, I cannot go. I cannot go there, I cannot survive there.
Definitely.
So food, food wise aapko halal milta है, and Muslim country hai, diverse culture hai, cultural shock nahi hai, affordability hai, बेस्ट लाइफस्टाइल है, आई वुड से.
बिल्कुल.
जो एक दफ़ा दुबई में रहता है वो वापस कहीं और जाने का, शिफ्ट होने का नाम नहीं लेता.
Definitely. And on the topic of, career opportunities, you sort of touched on, some big names in the industry that
Yeah.
Middlesex is affiliated with. Are there any specific sort of success stories that come to mind in terms of, Pakistani students that you've sort of seen go on to do big things in Dubai?
Okay, so recently there was a student in psychology. Psychology में post graduate के लिए आया था MSc clinical psychology, and every every year we have an event with the name of Gradstock. Gradstock mein what happens, like the companies itself come to the university and they recruit the student from there.
Okay.
It's kind of a job fair.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
And one of the student, he came to me, Miss Shifa, I have 4 offer letters from different job. He just joined the university in 2025 September. He just joined and he's like, Miss Shifa, I have 4 offer letters and I don't know where to go. And
Wow.
I was like, boom, it's your time to decide the best opportunity. And he got the full-time role
Wow.
because the classes are in evening for the post grad, and he got the full-time role with the 4 different multiple companies, and all were like big companies. And it was a psychology जिसकी आपको job आसानी से मिलती नहीं है.
Yeah.
And he got mashallah 4 opportunities, and I'm so happy, and I've seen so many students like that. It's just one case. I have seen so many students, uh, whoever wants to work, we provide them with the 100% platform. आपको हम लोग 100% प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करते हैं टू ग्रैब दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. इट्स अपॉन द स्टूडेंट
Of
कि आप
course.
वहाँ पे जाके वी प्रिपेयर यू फॉर द इंटरव्यूज़, क्योंकि मॉक इंटरव्यूज़ होते हैं, सीवी रिव्यू सेशंस होते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी में. आपकी हर तरह की एकेडमिक राइटिंग पे आपको फोकस होता है, हर चीज़ होती है. द ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू जस्ट ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटी.
That's amazing to hear. And now, the most sort of important question for students who are looking to get into Middlesex Dubai, what is one piece of advice that you would sort of give them that would give them an edge, maybe help them strengthen their application and actually secure a spot at the university?
I must say, for the September intake, this is the time to apply. Like, abhi jitna early apply karenge, you will get good discounts. You will secure your seats, because at the time of intake, like jab July, August aa jata hai, there are some programs जिसकी seats really it's वो ख़त्म हो जाती हैं. मोस्टली
Bilkul.
LLB के बच्चे बहुत आते हैं, ठीक है. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट द स्टूडेंट्स टू प्लेस द एप्लीकेशन ASAP. Even if they don't have documents, they can place the application without documents, with the passport copy only, and they can get the conditional offer letter. ताकि वो
Okay.
in meanwhile, or July August तक, when they will be getting the results, they can submit the results then. फिर उसके बाद then we process the visa. So to get the best discounts, I would suggest them to place the application as soon as possible.
I think that's, a very good piece of advice, because this is something we tell students all the time.
Yeah.
A lot of students will wait till the very sort of last moment
Yeah.
to get their application in. And then, there's this complaint, oh, I thought I'd get better scholarships, or, even in things like accommodation, stuff like that. So I'd emphasize that as well. That the main thing is to sort of just move quickly and, just
And
get your application in.
I must add, accommodation भी उस time पे जाके full हो जाती हैं. So if you will secure your seat at earliest, then you will be able to find the best accommodation. आपको फिर at the end बच्चे जाके options देख रहे होते हैं हम कहाँ पे रहें. Student accommodations full हो जाती हैं उस time पे. So I would suggest students, to place your application at earliest, and then you can book your accommodation. आपकी जो भी formalities होती हैं, and it's very easy. I think आपका offer letter within 24 to 48 hours आ जाता है. Then you can आपको payment plan मिल जाता है estimated, and you're gonna pay your
Nice.
fee in installments. आपको अपने quarterly installments you will be paying your fee.
Amazing.
फिर you will be getting enough time to discuss with your parents, regarding the आपका जो भी आपको estimated payment plan मिलता है. So that's the best time basically, I would
Bilkul.
suggest. Yeah.
I really hope, students take that
Inshallah.
advice and act on it. So that brings us to the end of our conversation. I am really glad to get the word, to be able to get the word out about Middlesex Dubai and everything that it offers. Thank you so much for taking out the time and sharing your
worries, Aur.
insights with us. It's lovely.
Thank you for having me as well. It was lovely to meet your team as well. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. And thank you once again for being here. And thank you once again to our viewers. We hope we were able to help you along your study abroad journey. Be sure to tune in next time. Bye.